Listen, don't you know I am fun to funk this up?
Have you ever went in the kitchen and seen nothing and still made something and it became scrumptious?
Welcome to Carmel's Wine and Cheese, where we make a little of any and everything, something out of nothing, all while measuring with nothing but love. So in today's video, what I'm going to be making for you all is some homemade, delicious, hearty chili. And the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and chop up 1/2 of a white onion. Of course, it ain't a recipe without the fresh minced garlic. And I'm also going to do 1 whole jalapeno. I'm gonna take the seeds out because I want it to be spicy but not unbearably spicy. So in my chili, I like to add beef summer sausage. I think it gives it a really good taste. If you've never had beef summer sausage, I'm telling you, if you make this recipe, make sure you add the beef summer sausage in it. So next, I'm just gonna go ahead and cook the ground chuck. Basically, I'm just gonna cook it until there's no more pink left. I don't need to show me breaking the ground chuck up, but this is basically what it looks like when it's ready, and then I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cook the beef summer sausage. I'm only gonna let this sear for like maybe about 2 minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add our onions, garlic, and fresh jalapenos to that mix and let that cook an additional 2 minutes as well. Now, once the veggies and the sausage is good and mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and add that ground chuck back into the pan. Give it a good mix, and now I'm going to go ahead and add our delicious seasonings in there, which will be mild chili taco mix. I'm going to put 2 packs of that in there. I'm going to give it a good mix. Now for the remaining seasoning, I'm going to add some Everglades Seasoning, some onion powder, some garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and some kosher salt. Now, the reason why I seasoned the meat before I added the liquid in there is because I really want the meat to absorb that seasoning. Now, I'm really almost done for real. I'm just going to add some kernel corn in there, some black beans, and some whole red tomatoes. Now, once this comes to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and put a lid over it and let it simmer on medium heat for about 45 minutes. Now, after 45 minutes, this is what we now have. Listen, don't you know I am fun to funk this up? Ooh, baby. Listen now. Look at it. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next week, Tuesday at 8:30 a.m. sharp.